Dear students, in this topic, we shall discuss the receptors involved in fast and direct neurotransmission. The membranes of postsynaptic cells have receptor proteins to which the neurotransmitters bind and elicit response. Such response is produced directly. The properties of these receptors and their specificity determines the type of response. The receptors are ligand-gated ion channels. When the ligand, that is the neurotransmitter, binds to these receptors, the synaptic channels open. The opening of these channels allows a minute current to pass through them. When many channels open, the currents are added and the sum of these currents generates the postsynaptic potential. We shall take an example of acetylcholine receptors to explain the functioning of such receptors which are involved in fast and direct neurotransmission. The acetylcholine receptors are channel proteins. They are found at the neuromuscular junctions of vertebrates. There are two types of acetylcholine receptors in the body. First are called the nicotinic acetylcholine receptors, which are also activated by nicotine in addition to the actual substrate, which is acetylcholine. Second type are the muscarinic acetylcholine receptors, which in addition to acetylcholine are also activated by a drug which is called muscarine. This is muscarine is produced by toadstools and acts as a poison. The nicotinic acetylcholine receptors were the first receptors which were discovered and purified chemically and then studied electrically. They are bound by nicotine in addition to acetylcholine. But these type of acetylcholine receptors do not bind muscarine. निकोटिनिक रिसेप्टर्स दो तरह के सेल्स पर या दो तरह के साइनेप्सिस पर पाए जाते हैं. फर्स्ट, in the synapses in the autonomic ganglia of sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Secondly, they are present at the non-autonomic nerve endings of neuromuscular junctions. Now we shall discuss the structure of nicotinic acetylcholine receptors. Each nicotinic acetylcholine receptor consists of 5 subunits which associate and form a channel at the center. There are 2 identical alpha subunits, and the other 3 subunits include the beta, gamma, and sigma subunits. The receptor sites are on each of the 2 alpha subunits. When ligand molecules, that is acetylcholine या कार्बाकोल या निकोटीन, कोई भी इनमें से बाइंड होता है, तो these channels become activated and they open. As a result, they allow the sodium and potassium ions to flow. Dear students, दूसरी टाइप के एसिटाइलकोलिन रिसेप्टर्स यानी मस्कारिनिक एसिटाइलकोलिन रिसेप्टर्स are activated by muscarine. They are quite different from nicotinic receptors because they are not ion channel proteins. They belong to a family of G protein coupled receptors. इसलिए एसिटाइलकोलिन जब इन रिसेप्टर्स के थ्रू एक्ट करती है तो ये स्लो इनडायरेक्ट न्यूरोट्रांसमिशन प्रोड्यूस करती है। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एसिटाइलकोलिन के रिसेप्टर्स के अलावा अदर लिगेंड गेटेड आयन चैनल्स जो सेल्स में या न्यूरॉन्स में पाए जाते हैं और फास्ट डायरेक्ट न्यूरोट्रांसमिशन में इन्वॉल्व हैं, उसमें बहुत सारे रिसेप्टर्स जैसे कि ग्लाइसिन के और गैमा अमाइनो बुटारिक एसिड यानी गाबा के रिसेप्टर्स शामिल हैं। हर टाइप का रिसेप्टर मैमल्स के ब्रेन में एक यूनिक पैटर्न में स्पेसिफिक जगहों पर या स्पेसिफिक सेल्स पर एक्सप्रेस होता है। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, these channels which are involved in the fast direct neurotransmission and are ligand gated show a particular pattern in evolution. The channels for acetylcholine, glycine, and GABA have certain similarities that show their homology. That is, all have pentameric structures. All are composed of 2 to 4 types of subunits, out of which one subunit binds the neurotransmitter. Dear students, ligand gated ion channels के अलावा जो दूसरी टाइप के रिसेप्टर्स हैं वो ग्लूटामेट रिसेप्टर्स हैं। ग्लूटामेट रिसेप्टर्स एक अलहदा फैमिली से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं और ये बहुत थोड़ी सिमिलरिटीज़ रखते हैं एसिटाइलकोलिन रिसेप्टर्स से। इस फैमिली के जो मेंबर्स हैं उन्हें हम ग्लूटामेट रिसेप्टर्स कहते हैं। ग्लूटामेट रिसेप्टर्स में इस वक्त साइंटिस्ट्स की इंतहाई ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है बिकॉज glutamate is the major neurotransmitter produced by the cells of brain which are involved in very important functions of keeping memory and learning. इसलिए इन न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स के ऊपर मज़ीद बहुत सारी रिसर्च इस वक्त जारी है।